Hey, Rogers Motor Cars here. We have got a 2021 Ford Bronco, full-size full Bronco, Badlands edition. This Bronco has 3,700 miles on it. White exterior, black leather seats. It was purchased here in Houston. I got this on trade from a great customer of mine. It does have the Sasquatch package. Big tires, 17-inch beadlock wheels. It has the hard top. It has the sound deadening headliner inside. It's got all the storage bags. We have the original window sticker. We have all of the books and manuals that come with it as well. 2 keys, key fobs. This truck has the 2.7 liter V6 EcoBoost. It still smells like a new car inside. This thing is really, really nice. It's got the all-weather floor mats inside. We also have the carpet mats that are in the back. It's got remote start, navigation, the 360 camera, the locking differential. It's got the towing package down below here. You can see that. And the modular HD front bumper. Open up the back here. And there's the storage bags and everything in here. Carpet mats underneath there. Bang & Olufsen sound system. Fully loaded. Nice tires and wheels. Still just looks like a brand new vehicle in here. I don't even think it's been off-road. It's got the nice orange stitching in the seats. There's both key fobs. Switches up here, 4-wheel drive switches. It's got the upfitter switches. You can see here 3,700 miles. These are really nice, they're very popular. They really have not decreased in price. They're holding their value very well. Clean Carfax, 1 owner. Still have the full factory warranty remaining. And we have a title in hand on this. Give us a call, email, text message. We'll respond very quickly. You can see all the pictures and the rest of the information on the website. That's rogersmotorcars.com.